Welcome back to NG Auto Review. Today we're taking a close look at the all-new 2026 Hyundai Kona Hybrid, a compact SUV that blends practicality, style, and fuel efficiency in a seriously impressive package. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Kona Hybrid brings a bold, futuristic design that's clearly influenced by Hyundai's latest design language. The front fascia features a sleek, full-width LED light bar that gives it a high-tech edge, paired with sharp daytime running lights and a sculpted grille. The body lines are more aggressive than the previous model, with flared wheel arches and a slightly wider stance. You'll also notice updated 18-inch alloy wheels and a redesigned rear with new taillights and a sporty roof spoiler. Overall, it's more aerodynamic and urban-friendly, ideal for city drivers who still want to stand out. Under the hood, the Kona Hybrid continues with a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor, producing a combined 139 horsepower and around 195 lb-ft of torque. It's not built to win drag races, but it's punchy enough for daily driving and delivers smooth, efficient acceleration thanks to the 6-speed dual-clutch transmission. What's most impressive is the fuel economy. You can expect up to 50 miles per gallon in city driving, making it one of the most efficient SUVs in its class. The hybrid system is seamless, and regenerative braking helps boost efficiency while adding a bit of feedback to the drive. Inside, Hyundai has stepped up its game. The cabin now feels more upscale, with higher quality materials, ambient lighting, and a cleaner dashboard layout. You get dual 12.3-inch screens, one for the digital gauge cluster and the other for infotainment, which supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's plenty of headroom and legroom, especially in the front, and the rear seats fold nearly flat, giving you flexible cargo space. Safety tech is fully loaded too, with standard adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. Now, onto the price. The 2026 Hyundai Kona Hybrid starts around $27,000, and a fully loaded version can push just over $33,000. For what you're getting, modern design, fuel efficiency, and a tech-packed interior, it's a strong value proposition. That's it for today's review. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Kona Hybrid and whether it deserves a spot on your shortlist. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. This is NG Auto Review, and we'll see you in the next one.